people. Now you know that chime, it's Nokia of course. They are the name that are synonymous with mobile phones. In the beginning there was only one dominant player out there. When I thought smartphones, or when I thought phones rather, before even smartphones, it was always Nokia which sprung to mind. Well, I've just been sent the latest Nokia device. It's the all-new G10. I've got it here sealed in box, and I'm excited to cut the plastic open. Let's take a look at some of the features which it offers and see if this latest Android-powered Nokia device has what it takes. It looks pretty neat on the packaging, but let's open the box now, see what comes inside, and discuss what relevance it has, what they're offering, what they're doing different in the market, and what Nokia's latest G10 brings to the table. Opening up the front carton here, we see first we are greeted by a large display, the device itself. Let's take that forward, drop it out a second. It gives you some of the key features here, such as 6.5-inch size, the 3-day battery life performance, and the triple rear camera. But apart from this, what else is in the box here? You're getting a SIM pin ejection tool. If we take that out the way, you get some Nokia instructional cards. Apart from this, always nice to see, you actually get a plastic molded, a polycarbonate, soft touch molded case. Nice to find straight out of the box, often hard to get hold of those. Apart from this, you're getting your wall charge brick, the one compartment, and over in the other compartment, you get a USB-C sync charge cable, and also quite nice to see I've included a pair of in-ear phones. So that deals with what comes inside the box. So let's now jump into spending a bit of time with the device itself. Now that we've taken the Nokia G10 out of the box, we can take a quick look at the device. Firstly, the first thing that pops to life is this, the gorgeous display. It's large at 6.5 inches and it's an HD, very immersive looking display, very bright, very vivid, really looks great. Then you also notice, taking a look around the body, it's incredibly slim profile and dimensions. Over on the side, you've got a fingerprint reader here for security, your volume rocker. Over on the bottom, you've got your speaker grills, your microphone, as well as your USB Type-C. On the other side of the device, you've got your simple SIM pin, as well as a dedicated button here, which can be used to jump into certain of your favorite applications, or customized to the way you want it. On the top, you've got a 3.5mm audio jack. Quite nice to see, because a lot of devices these days are doing away with that, but I still like to see it present. Then you've got the very neat, colorful interface here. It is, of course, Android One out of the box. That means it's a very vanilla stock experience, but it also means that it operates very well. It's very smooth, very slick, and really does a great job of moving through things. You can see some good screen brightness here, and the MediaTek MTK processor seems to also do a great job of general day-to-day applications, having used this device a little bit and played with it. You can, of course, jump into the settings menu here and customize it for your different modes. Of course, you've got dark modes or light modes to jump through, but overall, on the whole, it gives a neat, impressive interface. Running Android version 11 straight out of the box, you're getting a lot of the latest Android features here, but apart from this, they also say you're going to get 2 years of Android updates and upgrades coming from Nokia themselves, and that's very nice to hear, because it means that you're going to get the latest firmware and all the great additions of Android. You couple all of this with a device which is well priced, packs an overall premium feeling body in the hand. You're getting an impressive triple camera style display over at the back here in terms of the camera bump, and if we jump into it, you can see, let's jump into the actual camera application itself. It seems to produce some generally pretty good results. It's fast in terms of the snap. You've got a couple of different shooting modes, such as this wide angle lens or a more macro close-up mode, which gives some impressive results, as we can see there. And you, of course, can also shoot full HD video here. So you couple all of this with the power of Android on the go, you couple it with the wide display with its very slim bezels and profiles, as well as the advantages of the large 5050 milliamp hour battery, and you really are in for an impressive overall device here with the Nokia G10. From me, Jason of Technobok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.